Hello, hi everyone. This is Ankur here, and this time I'm shooting this video from resort called BM Beach Resort, which called B for Bin Majid Beach Resort. And I was, as I think you're not sure if you have seen the previous video, I was into Ras Al Bahar, booked it for 2 days, but I didn't like it. So I just continued my booking and just landed to BM Beach. So in this video, I'm gonna give you the overview of this particular resort. How's my stay? How's my overall experience? The key reason why I'm coming down here is peace. I just wanted peaceful, hassle-free, I would say, the experience, right? So let's go through this particular property.
Cool. So this is the reception area. It took me a while, around 15 to 20 minutes to, I would say, to get the check-in done. It took me longer than usual, I would say.
Okay, क्या यहाँ पर? अच्छा
They got two nightclubs here. One is called Rush Nightclub, which seems closed. I didn't see any crowd in the night, and also the another one, they got a Scenario Nightclub along with Thai massage. This also seems closed, right? So
is it open now? Is it open or closed? Closed, okay, no worries.
So this is surrounding the dining area, and you are going to love the dining outside, especially the weather is quite bright, I would say. Okay, so
Come on, come on, come on.
this was my short stay to BM Majid Al Resort. So after I will say the previous resort, I came to this one just for a day, but honestly I love this place a lot. Especially if you're coming for a peace, if you wanted a good time, be away from some of the crowd, then this is overall a good experience from the hospitality perspective, from overall property perspective, right? I could show that I found it less restrictive, I found it more enjoyable overall. Some of the events I enjoyed, the pool, I would say the pool dance, or few other events in the night as well. They got the kids dancing session and things like that, right? So overall I think what I have got is a all inclusive package. But what I can tell you, if you're planning to come down to BM Majid, you can think about non inclusive package. That is also good, right? So going with non-inclusive, coming down to BM Masjid is what I would advise you if you want to come down. What you see behind me is a beautiful the sea view, very calm, very soothing, and a long clean beach, right? And in the next few minutes, right, what I am gonna show you a secret of this particular resort, right? So usually there is another side which is quite, again, you can see some rocks behind me. It's not allowed to go there. What I did, I woke up early in the morning and I just crossed the rock. And trust me, what I have seen is a truly dust, red sand and white sand beach. So I again try go there and put across few clips for you. And if you're coming down here, I don't know, it's permissible, but you can think about taking a risk. Let's try and go and see what you have. And here I am on beautiful beach again. What I love this beach, which is again super clean. I saw a lot of fishes here, like enjoying, and then I caught a few starfish as well. Unfortunately, I did not have a mobile that point of time. I couldn't capture, but I think you can have a view of this white clean water, and hear this soothing sound of the ocean while no one is around to disturb you. Great. So guys, thank you. I just request you, first of all, thank you for landing on this video. If you liked it, if you enjoyed it, I request you to just put a hit on the subscribe button and also like this video and enjoy this beautiful resort. Thank you. Yes, this